In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share using the new Google Calendar. If you want someone else to view or help manage one of your calendars, Google Calendar makes that process very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to share a specific calendar from the new Google Calendar on your computer browser. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. This works best on a computer since the sharing controls are easiest to access there. Once the page loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar. In that area, you'll see a section called My Calendars. This is where all of your personal and custom calendars are listed. Next, find the exact calendar you want to share. This is important because Google Calendar lets you set sharing permissions separately for each calendar. Once you've located the right one, hover your mouse over the calendar name. When you do that, a three-dot menu icon will appear next to it. Click those three dots to open more options for that calendar. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. This will take you to the detailed settings page for that specific calendar. On this page, you may see several sections, so take a moment to make sure you're editing the correct calendar before continuing. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Share with specific people or groups. This is the area used to give access to individual people rather than making the calendar broadly available. When you see it, click Add People and Groups. A field will appear where you can enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type in the address carefully to avoid sending access to the wrong person. If Google recognizes the contact, it may suggest matching accounts as you type, which can help speed things up. At this point, you've reached the key sharing step in the new Google Calendar. Just make sure you are adding the correct person to the correct calendar, especially if you manage multiple calendars for different purposes like work, school, or personal planning. One helpful tip is to double-check the calendar name in the settings page before entering the email address. That small pause can save you from accidentally sharing the wrong calendar. Also, if the left sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so you can clearly see the My Calendars section. That's how to share a calendar using the new Google Calendar interface on your computer. Once you know where the settings are, the process is quick and easy.